Good morning, dear listeners of Hot Topic and Fresh News. It's Saturday, the 2nd of March, 2024, and we're here to bring you the latest and most crucial news stories. In South Carolina, a tragic incident unfolded last year, where Jamie Lee Komorowski, a 26-year-old woman, recklessly drove into a newlywed couple on their wedding night, causing fatalities and severe injuries. Komorowski, who was heavily under the influence of alcohol at the time, has finally been released on bail after being charged with reckless homicide and drunken driving. She is now on house arrest with strict regulations in place, including wearing an alcohol monitoring device. The incident took place on April 28, 2023, at Folly Beach, South Carolina, where Komorowski's rental car slammed into a golf cart carrying the newlyweds and two other family members. Samantha Miller, the bride, was killed in the crash, while her husband Eric Hutchinson suffered a brain injury and multiple fractures. Investigations have revealed that Komorowski's blood alcohol level was 3 times above the legal limit, and she was driving at approximately 65 miles per hour when she crashed into the golf cart. In other news, a settlement has been reached in a wrongful death lawsuit filed by Hutchinson against 2 bars, accusing them of overserving Komorowski before the accident. This heart-rending incident underscores the perils of drunk driving and exemplifies the necessity for responsible alcohol consumption and stricter DUI enforcement. Stay tuned for more detailed discussions on these pressing topics. Hello to all our listeners. This is your host, Emily, bringing you the latest from the world of news.
And I'm David, joining you all once again to delve deeper into today's headlines.
Remember, we're here with you on Hot Topic and Fresh News every day. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for the latest updates. Now, let's dive straight into the hot topics.
Could you fill us in on the details of this tragic incident that occurred last year?
Of course. A young woman named Jamie Lee Komorowski, only 26 years old at the time, was driving under the influence and crashed into a golf cart carrying a newlywed couple and 2 family members on the night of April 28, 2023. The bride, Samantha Miller, died on the scene, and her husband, Eric Hutchinson, suffered a brain injury and several broken bones. According to reports, Komorowski's blood alcohol level was almost 3 times over South Carolina's legal limit.
That's heart-wrenching. Is there any detail on how fast Komorowski was driving when she hit the golf cart?
Investigators determined she was driving at an approximate speed of 65 miles per hour when she struck the golf cart.
And what's the current state of Komorowski now?
Komorowski was released on bail last Friday after being in jail since April 2023. She was charged with 1 count of reckless homicide and 3 felony counts of drunk driving causing severe injury. She's currently under house arrest and is only allowed to leave her home for medical emergencies or court orders. She's also required to wear an alcohol monitoring device.
I understand there's also a legal angle involving 2 bars. Can you elaborate?
Yes, Hutchinson filed a wrongful death lawsuit against 2 bars he accused of overserving Komorowski before the crash. The case was settled in October last year.
This tragedy truly underscores the dangers of drunk driving.
Absolutely. It's a poignant reminder of the catastrophic consequences of reckless behavior and the importance of responsible alcohol consumption. We've reached the end of another episode of Hot Topic and Fresh News. Today, we delved into a devastating case involving reckless driving and the tragic consequences that unfolded. We appreciate each and every listener joining us in this journey. Your support, comments, and shares make our work worthwhile. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated.
I second that. Don't forget to tell your friends, your family, your dog, your plant, anyone and everyone about us. And keep those comments coming. We love to hear your thoughts. Remember, same time, same place, every day. We've got some interesting things coming up that you won't want to miss.
Absolutely. We're grateful for your continued support and look forward to having you with us on the next episode. Until then, take care and do. Stay in the loop, keep your eyes on the news. Our channel's content will amuse.